So today's topic is about storage management. So that's the fifth unit. So how to store the data or how the store has been data, how the data has been stored in the secondary disk or secondary storage area, which is nothing but the disk. So when we just say about the disk actually contains of platters and it has one or more platters and those have been coated with magnetic materials, and each platter it has two surfaces, the top as well as the bottom, for the data storage and track. Each disk is been actually of concentric circles on the surface where data has been recorded, and each platter actually it has many tracks in it, and the sector is nothing but the each track is again be divided into smaller units called sectors, and the cylinder set of tracks aligned vertically through all the platters, and the disk arm as well as the head is what responsible for the what storage for storing purposes. And go ahead with the logical view of this. These things terms has to be known to us. So it's seek time. Seek time is the what time taken so that the disk arm has been ready for capturing the data, and then the rotational latency, the time taken for the desired sector to rotate under the head or right head, read or write head, and the transfer time is the time taken to transfer the data for reading, transfer for reading the data depending on the disk speed as well as the, and there are different algorithms for this to use it. So there are some of the main algorithms are actually the first serve first serve basis, and similarly shortest seek time first, then scan, c scan, look, c look. So these are some of the examples which we'll be studying later. The first one is first come first serve. So that is actually as per the word says, whichever comes first. So that particular one will be served first. Okay, according to the request been given, according to the order they arrive in the disk queue. It is actually been. Suppose for example you have the different requests like 82, 140, 170 like that, and the current position, suppose if the what the head is there at 50, suppose. So how to calculate, and since of those things have been actually what been sorted and it has been plotted over there, and once it has been plotted from 50 just goes to 82. 82 was the one which came first, so 82 just goes to 82, and from the 82 it just goes to 170. But we can just see there between 182 and 170 there are few more requests, okay, are there, but those have been not addressed. Okay, but so the time has been waste over there, unless again it has to come back. So it just goes directly to 170, and from 170 comes back to 43, 43 to again 140, again 142, what just goes back to 24. Okay, then 19, and then 190. So that it just goes on. So here you can just see how the total overhead moment is being calculated. So that is actually the overall the distance being covered by the disk arm. So that is actually calculated by from 50 to 82 it went. So 82 minus 50 the distance, plus next distance is actually 170. 170 means 170 minus 82, that's one distance. And similarly from 170 to what 50 for 43. Okay, so 170 minus 43, again 140 minus 43, like that it's been calculated, and the overall one is actually 642 have got. one type, and apart from that, when you just go ahead with the advantages, it is actually the it gets fair chance of every request, and it's not needed to wait for a long time. And the next one is actually shortest seek time first. As per the word says, shortest. So very shortly, whichever comes, that will be served. The shortest seek, whichever has. So in the above example, the same manner, it just starts from 50. From 50, when you just see 43 or 82, which is closer, you just see it just checks which is the shortest one. So 42, 3 will be shortest when you compare it with the 82. So what happens? It just goes to what 43, and from 43 it just goes again to 24, because from 43, 82 is far, but this 24 is near. This goes to 24, and from again 24 to or 16, and 16 to 82 it has come, and from 82 to 100, and then 100 to 170, and 172, 150. This is the manner or methodology which is being calculated. Thank you.